Speak English.
What time?
Speak
English.
What time?
Hablar inglés.
Hablar, no hablar English.
My mom.
It's cold. Why is it open?
You have to walk.
Just kidding. Sky looks pretty.
Wait, you're gonna break this.
So we're bringing a tray of fried rice in Nicole's backpack.
Oh yeah. It fits.
That's what she said.
We made it!
Someone go get a couple of spoons in the back. Can I put my Tupperware in there?
What?
I'm gonna put my Tupperware. Why do you need the Tupperware?
Be careful, don't move too much.
Oh, I can actually
Yeah,
feel
like
it.
leave it like this.
What's up?
Wait.
Why buy snacks at the theaters when you have fried rice and bowls and spoons from Food Best?
Look at this. Look at.
Because we didn't have it
Look, 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 look.
This is good.
Yeah, that should be good. Make sure it doesn't get crushed.
Put it in my pocket.
Try running.
Oh my god, look at Nicole. Aw, dang it. I missed it.
Oh, nice.
Gosh.
I know, we're not
So we're at Daiso getting snacks because who pays for theater? I know.
Fried rice isn't enough.
You know they sell these at Costco? There's like 12 of these for $10.
12?
Yeah.
The small ones?
Yeah.
For 10.
Yeah. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
It should be in the jacket.
So we're first. We're first. Nicole, we're first. Are you happy?
Fuck you, Vanessa. I was so scared. You're so lucky. If we were second, I would have been pissed at you.
Honestly, they should have just went up to me and got the damn tickets. It's not that much.
We were outside,
hassle.
and then like Melissa would check every like 5 seconds or something. She's still not paying. And we're just like,
I know, because I was checking the timer and I was like, why haven't they gone up to me and asked for the tickets?
because we're patient people. Yeah, we're all like,
Because there was only
Ooh,
one
wanna see a
register
picture?
working and I was like, oh my god.
Mia's allergy.
Stop it.
This was my plan. Then I didn't do it, and then she told me not to. I threw my Starbucks.
This guest services desk is
So
closed.
they released us and then
From the
Melissa
wild.
and Nicole just like sprinted down there. I don't know where they're at.
Where do they go? I don't even
Our lazy asses are walking.
We're at number 8.
Numero ocho. Ocho. It's so dark in here! Run! Woo!
Nicole fell!
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Strazzy, you're right here.
Where's
Yay!
Layla gonna sit?
Nobody sit here.
I'm about to choke you.
Stop. So we just finished watching Mockingjay.
She was good.
It was
Pizza died.
I
The only good part was the only good part was when Peter choked.
Stop.
Oh no. She was going to the bread. And she was like, dude,
That really scared me.
I was watching her and then I was like, oh shit.
I know, me too.
We were like, yeah, I was just like sitting and then.
Where's Michelle?
Where is Michelle? She's in the bathroom still.
Different Hunger Games.
So now we're going
Our
to chat
experts in
time.
diamonds and bridal jewelry. They'll guide you through the
Oh, you guys are dark.
perfect
Oh, we are?
diamond and
It's
ring
okay.
style
Oh,
jewelry.
there you go.
No pressure. Buying an engagement ring
What the
can
hell?
be
I didn't
nerve-wracking
see you.
without the right people to help you. Guys, She's gonna wear her ring for the rest of her life. Because you don't get a second chance to
The tray.
You have a friend in the diamond business. Shane Company in Cupertino, San
You
Mateo.
need milk with that.
You don't need milk with
Open
that. You know how
Saturday
Romina
and
just eats
Sunday
like
till
it's not
5.
even yours though.
Online at
Okay, we'll see you at chat time. We're at chat time, first timers.
Not me.
Well, okay, well, I'm first timer. Okay, Jocelyn. Alright. You're not? The heck? Why are you here? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Layla blends in. Oh no, Layla's head's floating. This is the cutest Jenga I've ever seen. Jocelyn, how are we supposed to play this?
Like this.
Oh my god.
You lost. Fuck yo, Jane.
I swear you look like her. So I got their milk foam. It tastes really good.